In ToolKit Essential video series, we show how to organize tools in part ToolKit. That is a library located inside a COM part. In beginning, we also mentioned that ToolKit may be used as offline application without going much in depth. This video series will investigate further how ToolKit can help you to, in a structured way, organize, define, and manage all tool components more efficiently in your manufacturing workflow. ToolKit supports 3 levels of libraries: tool components with TLV file extension, tool assemblies with TLS file extension, and machine tool setup library with TLM file extension. Let's start explaining each one of these. Tool components stores individual tool components such as cutters, shanks, adapters, holders, and fixtures. It acts as your warehouse inventory where you keep all the basic building blocks ready for your assemblies. Then we have tool assemblies. It stores complete tool assemblies, which are combinations of tool components. It represents the actual tools you will use on your CNC machine, ready for assignment for operations or machine tool magazines. Pay attention that multiple tool assemblies may be defined based on tool components. And last, we have machine tool setup library that stores the defined tool items and their mounting positions on the CNC machine, tool holding devices such as magazines or tire stations. It represents the real-world setup of your machine. Before we dive into each of these assemblies, it is important to understand toolkit settings that should be checked beforehand. To access the toolkit settings, there are multiple places where you can open it. The very first one is when you open a toolkit itself. You can go to View and you'll see the settings over here. You can do a right click on the toolkit icon itself. You'll find the settings over there. Another way is through the toolkit solid cam. You'll see the toolkit settings here. And last, you can see it here on the right pane. Going to the solid cam, toolkit manager, and you'll see the solid cam settings. Once you open it, go to the general, and the most important option is a default folder here. Link towards this path gives toolkit understanding of what are the files and folders and subfolders analyzed by the toolkit itself. Everything under this folder will be analyzed, while everything about this folder will not be. So before using the toolkit, ensure the right path is used.